Shall we come rear or what?
Mr. Chris Power. We're very pleased to welcome back all of our Qantas, Emirates and One World frequent flyers and those customers travelling with us on board today. As you are now settling in, please ensure that all large carry-on bags have been placed into overhead lockers and smaller bags under the seat in front of you. If you are seated in business or an exit row, all bags must be placed into overhead lockers. If you're unable to stow your bags, please ask a member of crew for assistance. Small handheld devices such as iPads may be stored in your seat pocket.
This evening, making a left turn to heading for Sydney. City of Singapore will be out to the right-hand side of the aircraft as we depart.
Gentlemen, your customer service manager for Delmont. Well, now that we are underway, you'll notice the seatbelt signs are switched off. However, a reminder for your safety and the safety of your fellow travellers. Please keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. Tony will be coming through the cabin during the flight to offer duty-free. The Sky shopping brochure can be found in your seat pocket. If you are continuing to other international destinations, you will not need to complete the arrival card. A reminder for your safety, we don't allow anyone, including children, to sleep on the floor. We do look forward to making this flight for you an enjoyable one. If there's anything you require, please ask. The crew will be available throughout the flight and are happy to assist.
clear skies, just a little bit of high cloud. As I said, at the terminal at 9 minutes past 6. There's a 2-hour time zone change between Singapore and Sydney. If you haven't set your watches yet, the time is currently 5:32. Currently 5:32 at the terminal at 9 minutes past 6. On behalf of Qantas, I'd like to thank you for flying with us. We hope to see you on board again soon.